My name's Fiona Clark, I stay in Kirkcaldy. I've got two sons. Sam will be 15 in October and Ben was 9 in May. Both my boys have been diagnosed for nearly 7 years now. It'll be 7 years on the 26th of August this year for Sam. He was just coming up for 8 years old and we didn't actually know what was wrong with him to start off with. He had been up during the night, running to the toilet, but when I got up to check him a couple of times, he was going for a drink at the same time. So I was going to the doctors anyway and I mentioned it, so he did a blood test, told me not to worry about it, everything would be fine. So I went away along to my mum's in the car in Dunfermline, got a phone call, please could you go to ward 5. Why? Sam could be diabetic. And it was like, oh God, right, okay. So we come all the way along. When we got to the hospital, Linda was there to meet us and I had to phone my husband. He was working, he's a fireman, but he managed to get away and he came up as well. And we were very lucky. We were only in overnight because Sam's blood glucose levels were quite high, so they had to get him regulated before we could get him home. And we also had to prove we can do the injections, but everything worked out okay with him. 4 months later, unfortunately, my youngest son was diagnosed as well. He was only 18 months old at the time. And that was a bit of a blow because I just thought, you know, he's so small. But the help we had from the clinic was absolutely fabulous. Linda was on call 24 hours a day. She said to me all the time, don't hesitate to phone me. If there's anything at all, phone me. And she even used to phone me at night to see how things were in the first few days and said, I'll keep my phone on all night. If you need to phone me, phone me. And that was when she wasn't working, which is absolutely fabulous. So this is now, as I say, 7, nearly 8 years on. Both my boys are very fortunate. They've been funded by the NHS in Fife and they've got insulin pumps, which has been fantastic for them, especially my older son. It's given him so much more freedom. He doesn't have to worry about injections. He can go out with his pals. It's not a case of, oh, they're having that, I can't have that, and they're going away to do this, and I don't think I can go. He can do anything he wants to do, and it's been absolutely fantastic for him because it's built up his confidence and everything. They've both just been on Diabetic UK holidays as well, which were also funded through the clinic, and they've both had a ball there, and are looking forward to going next year, so hopefully, who knows.